Hi everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you how we can indent first line of a paragraph. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let's start. Here we have paragraph dialog box. As you see, first you have to highlight the text you have. Then here, click this icon. Here we have indentation. From special, click first line. You can increase and decrease the indentation. For example, I make it 1.2 or 1.1 centimeter. If you want to make it default, just set as default. This document only, all document based on the normal template. For example, I selected this document only. Okay. You see directly indentation applied for the first line. That's all. Have a nice day.